Yesterday we have seen the division algorithm for the polynomials. You may see the topic yesterday what we have discussed, okay. And in this, if you will see, this is the polynomial which is to be divided, okay, and this is the polynomial which is dividing, and the polynomial, the quotient is coming here. This you may see, this is okay, and further also what will happen here, this let this is okay, this is the quotient is coming here, this, and this is the remainder is coming here, okay. And the left side you may see, what is that? The left side, the questions number first we have solved, the question that we have given yesterday was there. Now we are solving some more questions today. What type of questions we are solving today? Class 7.3, verify that a number given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are there. Please listen the question. Verify that number given alongside the cubic polynomial below are there zeros. It means there is some polynomial you have been given. You may see there is a polynomial before you, okay, and this is the polynomial. What polynomial I am talking about? This polynomial, okay. So this polynomial you may see, this is the polynomial, okay. This you have to check whether it is the number given alongside. So we are just noting here the polynomial p of x, the method of solving, solving the question, okay. Solution number, first we are solving class 7.3. This is the question here, okay, this question I am talking about. Clear? Have a look the next, please. Now this question we are to solve here, okay. So the polynomial p of x, what is p of x? The p of x is 2x to the power 3 and plus x square, okay, and minus 5 of x plus 2, okay. This is the polynomial, and we have to check whether 1 by 2 and 1 and minus 2 are the zeros or not, this we have to check, okay. So what is the method of checking it? It's very simple. It is, we'll put the value in place of x, we'll put 1 by 2. A very common concept that you study in the 9th class, in previous class. Is that clear? So p of 1 by 2, 2 and 1 by 2 whole to the power 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2 is also, and plus 2 is there, okay. Further 2 into 3 times together it will give you 8, 2 times together it will give you 4, and 5 by 2 plus 2. Is that clear right now? Further is also there, it's cancel, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. So you see, plus 5 by 4, no sorry, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 means quarter, it is called quarter plus quarter, half, and minus 1 by 2, and there also minus 1 by 2 plus 2. Directly the solutions can be made here. It's a 2 or it's a 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2 and half. So negative and positive, negative positive, negative positive, negative positive, negative, and the sign will come up greater. So their difference will, what will be their difference? The difference is the difference of these two minus half, and here plus half will come here. So minus half plus half, 0 is coming here, okay. So what we can say here, this you may just understand here this. So since you will write here, okay, this is that here. So what, it's a 0, it's a 0 coming here right now. So you will write here, since p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0, so implies that, what will I speak here, 1 by 2 is a zeros, is a zeros. This is zeros means is a roots we are talking about. Root and solution we can speak. Okay. Similarly, further solutions also be done here. This similarly, we are to check p of what second number is 1 and is to be calculated the same as it is, and also p of what minus 2 is to be calculated. Okay. So, if all coming here 0, then it will be zeros here. Now, second concept, verification. The verification is also to be done. Verification. So, how the verification can be done here? So, as you all know here this, in the terms of we can say here in terms of this ax cube plus bx plus cx bx square plus cx plus d. This is a typical quadratic cubic polynomial is there. X, it's b, and c is also there, and d. So, these three are the coefficient, and this is called the constant term. Okay. And there is before you constant term is here. Okay. So, we are to find out and how many zeros possibly this can have. So, it will have 3 zeros here. So, we will suppose here let alpha comma beta are the zeros. We are giving the symbol alpha beta gamma for them for easy understanding and easy recalling them. Okay. That is what is the alpha here? Alpha is what? 1 by 2, and what is beta? The beta is here what next is? The beta is here 1, and what is gamma? Gamma is here minus 2. Okay. So, the meaning of verifications, it means the first verification is alpha plus beta plus gamma. We will speak here, if any three real numbers are the zeros of any cubic polynomial, then they will have the relationship, following relationship will be there between them. What relationship between them? Their alpha plus beta will come here minus b by a, and alpha into beta and beta alpha and plus gamma and gamma into alpha will come here c by a, and furthermore also, and alpha into beta into gamma will come here minus d by a. So, listen guys, here the positive will not come, negative will not come, clear? So, well understood you? If the alpha beta gamma are the zeros of the polynomial, this polynomial I am talking about, okay, this polynomial here, this is the polynomial here. If the zeros of, you are just solving the question number, this you are solving, okay, this question you are solving, this question you are solving. So, 3 numbers are given here before you, these 3 numbers we are talking about, 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. We have to check, we have checked there, they are the zeros, but we have to verify the relation. What is the relations to be verified here? The relationship, everybody knew here what the relationship is to be there. Okay. So, I am verifying the relationship, this is the relationship between them. Okay. So, what is alpha? Suppose you have 1 by 2. So, alpha is 1 by 2 plus what is beta? It is 1 or 2, I think here it is 1, and what is gamma? Minus 2. And what is b is coming here this. So, b you may see from the question, this is b here. What is the coefficient of x square? It is 1, and what is the coefficient of a? It is 2, and further is to be solved. I think here it is what is the sum of them? 1 plus half is 1 and half, 1 and half positive will come here, and minus 2 plus minus minus, and the sign will come up greater, minus 1 by 2 is coming here. Is that clear? Here is also minus 1 by 2. So, you will write here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, relationship is verified here. If this type of relations is existing between the alpha, beta, gamma, then we can speak this, the verifications is made here completely, right. Similarly, how can we do the latter here? The second relationship is also, what is the alpha here? Alpha is 1 by 2 into, this is minus, sorry, it is a plus 1, okay, it is plus 1, and second plus 1 and into minus 2, that is called alpha beta beta gamma, and it is minus 2 multiply by 1 by 2. Okay. And that what the next is c by a. Where is c? What is c here? You may see c is what is coming here. C is, I think this is called c. Is that clear? What the C is there, you just can understand the C I am talking about. What is C? This is C here, okay. So, what is C? C is minus 5. C is minus 5. So, here you will write C minus or plus, minus is not in formula, minus 5 divided by 2, and further is to be solved. What is their product? This cancels, 1 will come here and minus 2 will come here, this, and it's minus 2 into half. What will here? Minus 1 will also be there, or here minus 5 by 2 is coming here. So, what will here this? Minus 2 and plus 1, 2 is coming here, but here in this case C by A, alpha, beta, beta, gamma, 1, no, there is some mistake here. Wait a minute please, the mistake is there, I think, okay, this is the mistake. So, here will what come? It is 1 by 2 into minus 2, or what will come here? The first zeros is 1 by 2 will come here. Now, 1 by 2 into 1, okay, first 0 is 1 by 2 into 1, it is 1 by 2 into 1. So, cancels is coming here 1 by 2, or what is there? Sum is coming, there sum will come here, it is coming 1 by 2 and it is minus 2, or it is minus 1. So, here will be 1 by 2 minus 3, okay, and it is coming minus 5 by 2. So, one thing is to be done here, this, which of them is negative? I think this is negative and this is also negative 2, means half and 1 by 2, 1 and 1 into 2 and the 2 into half, minus 2 is there. So, 2 will be here negative, and the C by A, what is C? Minus 5, and what is 2? So, this is to verify here, this minus 3 by 2, here will come half minus 3. So, half minus 3 will be what? 1 and half, 3 by 1 and half, no sorry, so 5 by 2 will there, okay, and the sign will of greater, minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So, we will speak here letter LHS is equal to RHS, means this relation has been verified for the given condition. Similarly, we need to do for the third relationship between them, alpha into beta into gamma. What is this must come here? Minus D upon A must come here. So, what is alpha? Alpha is, I think, given here, it is 1 by 2, and what is beta? It is 1, and what is gamma? Minus 1 by 2, and from the identity D is what? It is 2. What is A? This, okay. So, it is we cancel here, this cancels, what is coming? It is minus 1, or this also cancel, minus 1. So, we will speak here left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this type of relation when verified, this is said to be the relationship is verified, okay. Is that clear? Well understood. What is the method of solution? The solution is before you, however, the question is longer, but the easy sum it is, okay. You may see the steps, every step how is to be done, the steps one by one, you may see, clear. Let this is, okay. This should be the way of writing the solutions in the answer sheet here in examination. Is that clear or not? Now, see the next. Okay, what is it saying this? Now, what the question is? Second question. What is it saying? Find a cubic polynomial with the sum and the difference. So, another relationship also is to be given in this. As you know, alpha, let alpha comma beta gamma are the zeros of a cubic polynomial. Okay. So, what cubic polynomial? Ax square plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a polynomial cubic, clear. So, it is alpha, it is beta, it is gamma, or it is d, clear. So, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b of a, and alpha into beta and beta gamma and gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. These are the three relationship between them, okay. So, you may see here the what we can say, your relationship for the identity is written before you. This is the relationship, okay, between, means we can speak here the cubic polynomial is written in the terms of ABC. It's A, it's B, it's C, and it's D. And these relationship, these three relationship is giving the is the relationship between the A, B, C, and alpha beta. So can we replace these terms here in the terms of alpha beta? Obviously. So B by A wherever will occur, we can write alpha plus beta by. So here is B only. So we'll write down here, since the formula will speak here. This is cubic ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. There is the cubic polynomial is before you. If you will create, if you will develop here b by a, so here b by a is to be developed here. So we will divide all the identities by a. It shall be a by so a will cancel from this, clear. So here will be x only, and here will b by a and x square also. Here c by a and x also, and d by a, clear. And this further can be written equals to 0, right. So in place of b by a, what you can write in place of b by a? Since alpha beta gamma plus as a minus b, so b by a is equal to minus this, okay. So in this place we can write minus of alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is x. This is the minus of these three, right. Now it's not coming with that. And c in place of c by a, we can write alpha beta and beta gamma and gamma alpha, okay. There is the relationship between them. Now next is what here? The next is x here, and third is what? In place of that I am talking about, in place of d by a, what can we write in place of d by? Alpha beta and gamma. So it's very simple here, alpha beta gamma can be written. Alpha beta gamma is to be written, okay. Look this now. So here alpha beta gamma we written here already, okay, is alpha beta and gamma is equal to 0. So we can speak here, this is the expression of the cubic polynomial in the terms of zeros. Means conclusion, if you know, if alpha comma beta are the zeros, then what? Alpha x, the next will here x cube minus, here you will write their sum, and here we will write their sum of product, and there at the last you will write here at the last what? Their product, right. Now it means a quadratic polynomial can be written in the terms of zeros also. So two types variety questions are now here developing. What the first variety question? The first variety question is, if you have been given alpha, beta and gamma, I am example giving you, right. Suppose we already have checked here, these three are the zeros of polynomial, okay, and we want to make a polynomial. So how can we make the polynomial? It's very simple, it is. So I am making the polynomial here, x in place of this x cube minus, here you will write 1 by 2 and here you will write plus 1 minus 2, and you will solve it, and here you will write next 1 by 2 into 1 and plus 1 into minus 1 by 2, what the next is? Here 1 plus 1 by 2, next is what? Alpha beta beta gamma. Alpha beta means, okay, alpha beta, beta gamma, 1 into minus 2, x is also there. So we have find the sum of product. So how is to be written the sum of product? So first number is alpha beta means 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 by 2, and outside there x, and at the last what is to be written here is alpha into beta into gamma, means it will be 1 by 2 into what next is 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0, and there is before you. Clear, guys? This is to further, if we will solve, if we will solve, so what will happen here is there, what is that, half, and I think here 1 plus minus half. So, 1 by 2 minus 1, clear, outside there x square, and further here plus alpha beta means it is 1 by 2 minus 2 and minus 1 here also, and there outside x is there, clear, and further 2 to cancel, minus 1 will come here, is equal to 0. This expression can be solved further. What will be it is, please tell me. Here the expression would be written as x cube minus, what is that here, minus 1 by 2, okay, and x square, minus minus plus, because the outside minus here a negative will come here, clear. Next, and what the next is, half, and there is minus 3 and minus 5 by 2 will come here, clear, and x is also, and there minus 1 is equal to 0. So, what is going on here, this, and the expression is simply it is, you may see, and after solving this, what you will obtain, we will obtain, it's a by 2 is to be multiplied here. So, it shall be 2 x cube minus x square, clear or not, now plus is here, plus x square, and further minus 5x, and here 2 is to be multiplied here, 2, yeah, 2 is equal to 0. Now, you will say what type of quadratic polynomial is coming here, you may see, this is a cubic polynomial is coming here, okay. It means the conclusion, from a given polynomial quadratic or cubic, you can obtain zeros, and from the cubic polynomials you can find out the zeros, and from the zeros you can construct a cubic polynomial. This is the main topic of the chapter. So, you just have to know this, and that is before you, clear, guys. Now, next questions that I told you to find a cubic polynomial with the sum and sum of product already given here. So, what is the method of solving this question? The simple method is there, okay. The solution number I am talking about, this solution I am talking about. How can we solve this? Please tell me. So, this can be solved in the simple manner, solution number, what is here 2. So, what is it? Means you will write on here, let alpha is equal to what, and 2 here we supposing, and beta is equal to minus 7 you are supposing, and gamma is equal to minus 14. So, 3 are there. Therefore, cubic polynomial, cubic polynomial. What is that? X cube minus their sum. Their sum is alpha plus beta plus gamma, right? Listen, guys, I am telling this, you may see this, these are not alpha, beta, gamma. Actually, these are given here the sum and product. Actually, please read the sum and sum of product of this, means this is actually alpha plus beta plus gamma. The first is, it's what? Think this is 2, and alpha beta, beta gamma, and gamma alpha. This is what? Please tell me. This is minus 7, and the third is minus 14 alpha beta gamma. So, directly the value is to be produced here. Clear or not? It's like that, alpha beta, beta gamma, and gamma alpha. And further, what is to be done? Further, the expression can be solved as, here you may see, alpha minus of alpha beta and gamma. Alpha beta and gamma, it means that how they can be written as? They can be written as here minus alpha beta and gamma is equal to 0. So, put the values what are given here. This, what is the value here please given? Tell me please. Yeah, its value is what? 2 is coming there, okay. So, you need to write down 2 x square, and what is coming in this place here? As a minus 7 is coming here, this, okay, outside x there. And what the third expression is given here, this, the third expression you may see is given here minus 14. and if you will solve, after that you will obtain a value here. But the first is, what the first x cube. Okay, what is that now? So after solving you will obtain the cubic polynomial. So here you have learnt the bringing a cubic polynomial from the zeros and the bringing zeros from the cubic polynomial. Is that clear? Now see the question number 3rd. Obtain all other zeros. Okay, for this types of question, obtain all other zeros means how many zeros this can have? The number of zeros this can have according to its degree. Is that clear? So how can we understand the degree here? Please tell me. So degree could be understood in the very simple manner. I am telling this. Okay, we are solving question number 3rd. The solution number 3rd. Obtain all other zeros. So here p x is to be noted. What the p x is called? Clear? Since what 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are the zeros. So therefore x minus of this plus 2 root 3, this is 1, okay, and so 2 minus, so what is next is x minus, the next is what? X minus, what is in the bracket? It's plus 2 plus root 3, this is the second here. The two factors are, you may see, the factor 1 or this is called a factor 2. So one of them is negative and the other is positive. So which is negative and positive? You may say this is negative, okay, this is negative, 2 minus, okay, right now. Well understood here. What is what? Now start solving this. So we are to find out the polynomial. So simply it is the method other is to be. So why? But I will suggest you to write down as equal to 0. So x minus 2 plus root 3 is to be taken as 0, and the second factor that x minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So if we will compose it means on compositing. Composing में fuse we are just making them. So x square minus what was the second is, the pattern is not looking like a plus b, a minus b. It is actually a minus 2 plus root 3. This is the first, and the second a, and the second is what? X minus 2 minus this that here, both are here negative, you may see, okay. So what? It's not, it's a, it's a b, but this is not b, they are different. So a plus b, a minus b pattern is not developing. So what you will do? We will distribute it. This will multiply to throw, but this we have to equate is equal to 0. Why we have to equate them equals to 0? For the easy understanding of the question. So now distribute it. So x goes with x square, and x goes with that 2 minus root 3 into x is also there, clear. And further here minus. Now first term is to be distributed here, the second this term is to be distributed this, okay. So what the second term is 2 plus 3. So here it will be minus or plus, it's minus. So minus what? 2 plus root 3 into x, and what next is 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3, 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3. Now what type of pattern we are observing? Is equal to 0. So I said you why to take here 0. Is that clear not? So further is to be solved here, the expression. Look, this is here. x square, here is to be distributed also, x can be taken common, here it will be 2 minus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3, and outside x is there, clear. Next, as a product and sum they are coming, a plus b minus a square this and b square this, and outside there x, clear. And what the next, here x cube, there sum sorry x square, there sum and product, okay. So, what will here, x will not come here, this, okay, x will not come, is equal to 0. Now, further can be solved here, it's x square minus 2 cancels, and minus 2 time minus plus 2 time root 3 x there outside, and 4 minus 3 is 1 there, is equal to 0. And the expression can also be solved further, especially this minus 1 will introduced here. So, this is a factor is coming here, this one factor is coming here, but we have to check whether we have done operations correctly or not. Okay, we have applied this, because if we will do the questions all along, so much a lengthy solution will give, and we will find that there is some mistake in the previous steps, then your whole entire problems will be wrong. So, check this whether it is wrong or right somewhere else. So, first the 2 factors from 2 plus the root 3 to minus 3, we made 2 factors, both are coming as negative. We have composited them, okay. I mean, on compositing, what we have, x multiplied to x and minus of x, what will here, 2 root 3 minus x is there multiplied, and minus 2 plus. So, minus here, this is to be distributed also, I am talking about this whole is to be distributed here also, okay. First it will multiply to x and then later this. So, minus of the, what will come here, minus of 2 plus 3, is there anything else? Yeah, this is minus of 2 plus root 3, and this minus plus 2 plus 3, 2 minus root 3. So, this is one coming sure here, but here x can be taken common. So, here will minus also taken common. So, here will be plus. So, if it will be plus, so here will 2 plus root, okay. So, what shall, yeah, one mistake we found here, this, what mistake, please tell me. The 2 will not cancel, what will cancel, the cancellation with 3 will take place here, this is cancelling, this is not cancelling, okay. Means we can speak here, this 3 will not cancel, this root 2 will not cancel, 2 will not cancel. So, identities can be changed here. What is that? It shall be 4 x is also there. Clear, guys? Understood well what I am saying to? What? A 4x will come here, this 4x will come here. So, your factors is coming x square plus 4x, and the remaining you can do this, okay. This is a factor. Why this is a factor? Because from zeros together we have fused all them and we obtain a factor. So, for other factors to means from the zeros we can bring factor, from the factor we can bring zeros, okay. So, what is that? You need to bring further for other zeros, okay, for other factor, for the other factor. Other factor, how can we find out other factor? We will divide the given polynomial px, okay, x to the power 4 minus 6x to the power 3 minus 26x what, x square, 26x square, and what next is 26 plus 138 x is also minus 35, clear. And what is next? Here it will be x square plus 4x plus 1. You divide it, and here you will obtain a quotient. Here a quotient will come in this. It means this quotient will also be the factor of this. So, some zeros are inside this factor, some zeros will be in this right now. So, your task is to obtain this, and this can be done by division process. If you want to know the questions, I am telling this how is to be done. This is very simple method to do here, clear. So, I am just doing here this, how is to be done this. Now go on division process. How the division process will go? Very simple it is. The coefficient is what? What the coefficient is? Nothing. 1. Degree difference, there is 2. Do multiply this, x to the power 4 minus 4x cube, and there 1 plus 1x square, and further will be done as minus plus minus. So itself cancels, minus and plus minus operation, the sign will come up greater, 2 times negative times this, and here will 27x square and plus 138x minus 35. Okay, you will just remember here whether the difference, if you are just getting the difference, okay, once you have to check once or twice for initially or so in the starting, okay, so that your mistake could be catched here, and the mistake will not further proceed, or we can speak here iterate, because the iterations of mistake and the wrong things will make your solutions incorrect. Is that clear? So proceed. I am just doing this again. X square, here minus plus 4, what was the mistake? I found here the mistake. Here must be negative, here must be minus, and here must be minus also. Okay, this is also minus. So minus is to divide it. Okay, here will x square, no sorry, okay, it's x square minus 4x. Okay, so there are some changes to be made here. This what some changes are here? This minus, so x square minus 4, here will what come? Minus 4 of x square. So minus will become plus here. The same is coming here. X square x to the power 4, and 4x is also 4x to the power cube, and plus minus is there also. Okay, here will come minus, no plus x square. So this is coming here right now. Now further the procedure is to be made. What the next is? Again do its coefficient is 1, its coefficient is 1, but the degree difference is what here? 2. So here is what with the degree to minus 2 divided by 1. What will come here? This minus 2. And what is the degree difference? It's 1 here. 2x to the power 3 minus minus plus 2 4s are x square, and what next is 2x, minus of 2x is to be written here. Further it's positive, it's positive, it's positive, it's cancel here. Minus 27 plus 8, how much is this? 19, it shall be there. Okay, and the next is what? 138 plus 140 is there, x, and minus 35. Okay, and further is to be done also the same. Okay, what is that? Again its coefficient is what? 19. So 19 must come in this. Degree difference, nothing. Is there some degree difference? No. So 19, 1 is 19, x square will come here this 19 x square, negative positive, and 36 is there also. So obviously we are just doing the process of divisions where it's factor, and we are seeing this 0 remainder is not coming here. Is that clear? Because they will not be cancelled. It means there would be some mistake that we have done here. So we need to check them, the mistake is what. Okay. Again the polynomial we make here x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, as we have done here this what 3 cancels, we obtain here 3 cancels, and minus plus 4 minus 4x and plus 1 is there also. Now x square minus 4x plus 1 is dividing the polynomial px, and what is coming here? This coming x to the power 4, the degree difference, you may say minus 6 of x cube minus 26x plus 130x minus 35. Okay, so this is to be done as x square, degree difference nothing, x square is there, 4x square minus, so multiply 4x cube, and x square is also there. This step is now correct. This step we have done correct. Okay, now next step, what the next step is minus 6x cube plus 4 minus 2 times x cube is coming, minus 2 divided by 1, minus 2 will come, and degree difference is what? 1. So minus 2x is there, 2x is to multiply minus 2x square, minus plus, this mistake is there. What mistake we found? Here plus 8 will be there, here plus 8, and if here plus 8, then here will minus, okay, and minus 2 of minus 2, this is correct. Okay. So what shall come? It is, there is one mistake we cast here, this will not come. Okay. What will come here? Here will come minus of 35, sorry 35, minus of 35, and further let us to be done this now. So how many times the table you will read? Again minus 35 will come here, this here not 19 will come here. What will come here? Minus 35, clear? And this is to multiply 35 x square, and 35 4s are minus 35, so it's minus plus 35 4s are 140 x, clear? And next is 35 minus 35, changing sign, plus minus plus, it's cancels and cancel. Now 0 remainder is coming. Why the 0 came now? Because we are just dividing it by its factor. So the other factor is this, you may see, this is the other factor. So the what we can speak here, in the other factor, what the other factor? X square minus 2x and minus 35. For the other factor we need to factorize. How can you factorize? It's simple, it is can be broken in middle term splitting method, clear? How the middle term splitting method is to be launched? 35 is to be broken as factor 35, next is 7 into 5, these two to be set as to bring the middle term. So 7 minus 5, okay, the middle term trick is there, 7 minus 5, outside there x, and what next? Plus minus 35 is there also. And further how can we solve this? Please tell me. Further expression can be done as it's x square minus 7x plus 5x plus 35. Okay. So x square minus, what is common in them? In these two terms, the common is what? X minus 7, and in that 5 common. Okay. So 3 negatives are there. I think this minus 35 is there, the plus 35 is, okay, this is minus 35, okay. So here will be 5 common, if 5 common, then x minus 7 will come. Throughout what is common? Throughout you may see x minus 5 is there, and what's left here? X plus 5 left. So all factors are, so this is the factor here. So zeros are what here? So zeros are, it's 7 and the other 0 is minus 5. This is the method that we have learned in the 9th class. Okay. So well understood you. So your assignment of the day that I am giving you to solve the same basis. You may see here. Home assignment 3. 4 questions only is to be done by you. Is that clear? We'll follow and we'll check the video. Home assignment 3 is your home assignment, and everybody will do this question. This is your homework. Clear? Will everybody appreciate it? It's only 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, guys. That's right here. So it's enough for the day. Thank you, Raj.